Welcome back children, I am Srinivasan here. We are discussing exercise 1.2 relations and function, question number 5. The question says, show that the signum function defined by function r to r, real number to real number, given by f of x equal to 1, 0, minus 1. If x greater than 0, x equal to 0, x less than 0. Signum function is a very specific function. So whatever greater value of 0 you give, it will take the value 1. When you give 0 as an input, it will give 0. When you give a negative numbers, it will return only minus 1. It's a very specific function. Now, from the question itself, if you are able to understand, if x greater than 0 and less than 0, how to identify the symbol? Some of them may have doubt. This is a less than symbol. It starts with the letter L. Actually, the letter L has been changed to the less than symbol. So, on seeing this, you should understand that is L. So, hereafter you will not be having that doubt. Now, let us come back. X greater than 0. So, what are the greater than 0 number? 1, 2, 3, 4, any number, your output will be 1. So, if I say f of 1, 1. F of 2 is 1. So, 1 and 2 are not same, but f of 1 is 0, 1. F of 2 is also 1. F of 3 is also 1. So, more elements are mapping to, the positive numbers are all mapping to number 1. So, it is many to 1 function. Right, children? So, it is not 1 to 1 function. The first point. And the second point, I'll say the answer now itself. The second point, you see, the mapping, the output is always 1, 0, 1. Even though you have a real number set, whole set is there, but your function will always, whatever input you give, will go to, positive means 1, it will go. If it is 0, it will go to 0. If any negative number you give, it will go to a negative 1. So what about the remaining numbers left in the codomain? They are all left free. So it's not a onto function. Let us go to the question. Now let us choose f of 1 as I said. F of 1, the answer is 1. F of 2, so they are greater than 0, right? So greater than 0, the answer is 1. So f of 1 is equal to 1, f of 2 equal to 1, but 1 is not equal to 2. The inputs are not same. So x1 is not equal to x2. Therefore, the signum function is not 1 to 1. So we have proved it's not 1 to 1. Now let us go for the real number chart. Exams, you need not want to draw anything. Just these and all for your understanding only I am doing it. So need not want to worry about any diagrams. All numbers will be there here. So this is domain your input, and this is contains output as well as extra elements. So here you have 0, minus 1, 2, 3, minus 2, and decimal numbers. A lot of numbers are there. Now whatever input you are going to give, if it is negative number, it will map to minus 1. If it is 0, it will map to 0. Whatever positive number you give, it will map only to 1. So what about the remaining numbers? You can see 2, 3, 4. There are a lot of numbers left. So this case we call it as it is not onto function. Now choose any one element from this. Can you choose? Here our favorite number is 2. So we'll go for 2. So 2 belongs to R, which is a codomain. It is in the codomain. There does not exist any element x belongs to R. Now I mean yes, domain, such that f of x equals 2. That means no element will map to element 2. Likewise, there are number of elements, it will not map to 2. So it is not a onto function. Therefore, f is not onto function. So we have proved the signum function is not 1 to 1. It's not onto. I hope you understood the question, children. Thank you.